Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I am just getting ready for work again, but you will likely see this video on the day I come home from work, which is really funny because I already have a video scheduled for tomorrow, which will be the 3rd. Today's the 2nd. Yeah, anyway, so if you've been here before, you know that I only do my eye makeup when I'm going to work because I have to mask up. So I decided I was going to pull out this Nomad Cosmetics. This is I believe it's the Tokyo palette. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Yeah, the Tokyo palette. Okay. Because it actually has non-English words on the front, and I can't read that. But anyways, this is a really cute palette. I've never used it before. And here is what it looks like on the inside. Now, of course, when I go to work, I don't want to wear anything too bold because I have to work. But I just thought just a light color with some of these, one of these shimmery colors down there would be really cool. Oh man, I feel like I had no time off. I had to go to work for a class. We're finally getting a new POS system, which we haven't had for years and years. Actually, since I started, basically. When I started, we got these cheapo cash registers that like anyone can buy from like a home office store. And every few years they say, oh, we're getting new POS, and I would get trained on it, and then we wouldn't get it. Hilarious. But yeah, so I had to take my dog to the vet to check his butt, and then I had that training class for my first day off, and then I didn't really get home until, the afternoon, so it was like, well, that day's gone. So anyways, we're going to try something new. I did organize a lot of my makeup. Oh my gosh, I organize a lot. And I put a lot away. Motorcycle. So I found I had this Profusion eye primer. And, wow, I have a whole drawer of like eye primers and everything now. It's fun times. So I'm going to try this out. I've never tried this before. I shook it already, so hopefully... Oh. Okay. Well, that's cracked. Hilarious. I don't know if... Let's see if you'll be able to see that. Look at that. It's cracked at the base. The cap was on, so like I'm not that concerned about it or anything, but it's a colored, it's like a my flesh tone type of colored base. So we'll see how that works with these colored shadows, actually. Yeah, but so anyway, so didn't really feel like I had a whole lot of time off. I get 2 days off in between work trips, but I'm gone for 3 days, 2 nights, basically. This glides on very nicely, at least. Kind of looks sheer. Come on. So, yes. And then I did spend, like I said, quite a lot of time. I was organizing my makeup room. I have all my palettes together in one spot on a set of shelves. Taking up basically three shelves on this thing I have over here. Eventually I will go through and show you all the palettes I have, maybe do a decluttering, because I certainly need... Well, I don't need to do that, but there's definitely... I have a lot of palettes. Wow. So, we're also in the process of cleaning our living room, and we're going to get rid of our furniture, which we have had since we got married and bought this house, so like 10 years, basically. But we're going to turn it into a home gym, and we should have done that much sooner into this pandemic. I guess we just thought it'll go away soon. I don't know. We were going to the gym regularly for like legit just a month, but you only need 30 days to turn something into like a habit, and unfortunately that didn't happen for us. So I got my color switch. I really need to wash my brushes sometime soon, so I'm just wiping this off on my color switch, and then I'm just kind of looking at this, seeing what I want to do. I'm probably just going to go for like this pink color right here, or maybe this purple. Ooh, man, that green shimmery color looks awesome too. I might do, yeah, So I'm going to do this pink, and then I'm going to put that green, I think, on top of it. Ooh. Or, no. So we're going to do the pink, and we're going to do this shimmer color right here. That is what we're going to do. Let me set this somewhere where it's not going to fall. Okay. So also, if you haven't seen my Glam Bag X video, I'm going to link it here in the corner. You should look at that because that's something else. Wow, I dipped into that and it's very powdery. Anyways, I'm just going to pat this down right now. Yes, Glam Bag X. I made a video that, check that out, because I'm glad I don't want to say I'm glad I'm getting it now, but I am glad that I made a separate account to get the Glam Bag Plus, because my choices for Glam Bag Plus for this month were infinitely better than anything I think that I'm getting in my Glam Bag X, and that's just a little sad, you know. That's all. It's just a little sad because the Glam Bag X is supposed to be, you know, the big guns, as it were. I'm just putting this kind of all over my lid, like in a half moon shape. That's all. That's all I'm doing. But yeah. So yes, I'm getting, I think, all makeup, which is great. My 3 choices were pretty good. I think I might be getting a palette that I already have. If so, I will do a giveaway with that. And I do know that I have to pick my giveaway winners because, if you watched some of my previous videos, you will know I did secret giveaways. So yes, I do have to do those as well. So that might be just little short videos I do while I am at my hotel. I'm trying to batch videos together for uploading just because it makes it easier on me, especially with my job. You know, I'm not guaranteed to be able to record anything, and I'm still sticking by I'm uploading every single day. This is such a cute little color. I love it. And it's performing very nicely on top of this eye primer as well. This is a Profusion eye primer. It did come with a set. I believe it had a face primer as well. Oh yeah, this is such a cute little color. Okay, so I'm just going to, you know, blend it out on the edges, make sure nothing's harsh. So also, I was supposed to get 2 orders yesterday in the mail, and USPS routed it to the wrong post office. So that's annoying too, and of course today's Sunday when I'm recording this, so I highly doubt. Sometimes we have gotten mail on Sundays, but I highly doubt that I'm going to get them, yeah, today. Especially before I have to go to work. This is such a cute color. I don't know if it's really showing up on... I don't know. I don't know if that's really showing up. But it's a cute color. Oh my gosh. So that's the, oh, that's the Lolita color. Hilarious. I actually really like Elegant Gothic Aristocrat and Elegant Gothic Lolita. Sweet Lolita. I actually used to have some Lolita dresses when I was younger. I gave them both. I gave them all away eventually. But the style was super cute. I had Elegant Gothic Lolita Bibles. I was actually subscribed to that. They were so cute. Actually, I think I might still have some over there. Okay, I'm just gonna use the same thing. No, I shouldn't go under my eye with that. It's way too big. That is way too big. Here, I'm gonna use a little different brush. But I'm just going to go under my eyes with that same color. Just continue it all around. I also have to go pick an employee up, my husband's, and bring him to the gun shop in a little bit here. So that's why I'm just recording now. I don't actually have to leave for work for a few hours. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Super cute. Okay, now, ooh, that color is, ooh, it's so buttery and smooth, and there we go. Ooh, look at that shine. Do I need glitter glue with that? I don't know. Shoot. I don't know if I should. I don't know. Man, oh. Ooh, look at that yellow too. That yellow one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my, it's like yellow and pink. Oh, girl. I think I need to use that yellow one. Is that a duochrome? They're so pretty. Oh my god. I think they might all, oh, I'm gonna have to read about that. They might all be duochromes. Okay, now I'm just gonna take the yellow on my finger and I'm just gonna put it all up on this bitch. See what it look, oh, that doesn't look yellow at all. Ooh, like, haha. Ooh, oh man, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if this is showing up, but this is so pretty. I'll take a photo and put it on my Instagram. I have actually been posting on my Instagram. So, while I'm waiting to get to 1,000 subscribers, simply so that I can get that community tab open, because I would love to just be able to post in one place, you can check out my Instagram, which is where I will post things that don't necessarily need to be posted here. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it does look yellow. It does look yellow and pink. Oh my god, that is just... That's the cutest. Oh, I love it so much. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but... Cute. Cute, cute. Okay, well, that's adorable. Okay, so I'm going to actually take... So I'm going to take that otaku color and try and put it in my inner corner. And that's what I'm going to do with that one. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, yeah, that works well. Oh, this palette is so cute. Very nice, very spring-like palette. Yeah. Yeah, son, yeah. Oh, this just made my makeup like real hard. Stole that from Teresa's Dead. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so maybe I will take... Maybe I'll take that purple one just to deepen up the outer corner. Just a little bit, not too crazy. We're not going too crazy. A little bit. Just like on the, actually just on the bottom lid. Yeah, the one thing about this palette, there's really no dark colors at all. There is a, looks like a gray color, Visual Kei, I don't know how to say it. So yeah, so you got like this grayish color and you got this kind of light gray color. I don't know. I don't really want to touch them right now. You know what? Fuck it. We're going to go into that Visual Kei just a little bit and stamp it down here, see what happens. On top of that purple. Just a little bit. That yellow color is so cute though, oh my god. Okay, well I'm very happy with this. I'm not going to take this palette to work, but adorable. Man, okay. Super cute. So I didn't end up using this tacky base, but I will try this next time I need a tacky base. And now I just need to curl my lashes. My poor dogs are so upset at me. Actually, I don't even know where they are. Johnny's there. Where's Trixie? She's not even in here. She don't care. think I still have mascara on from last night. That's okay. When I did my SpongeBob makeup. Ooh, that was fun. Okay, so I'm just going to use this Big Papa Wet n Wild mascara. Try this out again. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, that's completed look. I can say this works really well on my bottom lashes. I can't really speak much for my top lashes just because they suck or get pushed down by the hoods of my eyes. But yeah, what a cute little springtime look. Did I get mascara on? Nah. That's fine. Whatever. Yeah, cute little look. Cute little work look. Not too crazy. Okay, I'm crazy, I know. Yeah. Oh, forgot something. Okay, I have my little notes here and I totally forgot. Okay, so while I was organizing my makeup, I did show you in my big 23 box unboxing. I will link that here. I showed you that I got stuff from Black Moon Cosmetics. This was one of the things. This is an eye topper, and this is in the shade Nebula, and I think it's like a duochrome or a multi-chrome type. It's super pretty. It's like purple and green. So I was finally using it for the first time. I was swatching it on my hand, and the little tip of the wand went strange, and it just, boom, broke right off. Broke right off on my hand. Look at that little tip. So that's supposed to go right there. I don't really, there's my computer. I don't really want to glue it because then you get weird glue that's not supposed to be in makeup, you know, and this is supposed to go on your eyes. So I actually ended up emailing them, and hopefully I hear back from them about this. I didn't ask them to replace it because the product is fine. I did ask them though if it's possible to get a new cap sent to me because of course I don't have any other components that are like this. I think at one point Wet n Wild used this actual type for their lip glosses or something, but I'm not going to take another product to destroy it to get a wand for this. So I'm hoping they can help me out. Again, I don't need a replacement product, I just need the wand. Because I don't really have anything else that I could even stick in there to scoop it out. You know what I mean? So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this weird little get ready with me video. And don't forget, I do post every single day. So I would really like if you like this video and subscribed, of course. There's no need to hit the notification bell because I do upload every day at 10 a.m. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.